The word we'll be learning in this video is omoide, which you will often hear when people share their past experiences, stories, or nostalgic moments. Omoide. Omoide. The word omoide means a memory or recollection of a past event. It conveys the feeling associated with remembering something significant or nostalgic. The first kanji means to think or feel and represents the mind doing mental action. It shows up in shiko, which means thought, where the kanji brings the idea of thinking, and in omoiyari, which means compassion, where the kanji adds a sense of feeling or consideration. The second kanji means to go out or come out and is about movement from inside to outside. It appears in deguchi, meaning exit, where the kanji marks an outward way, and in shuppatsu, meaning departure, where it gives the sense of leaving or setting out. I have happy memories. 楽しい思い出があります。楽しい思い出があります。Old memories are fun. 昔の思い出は楽しいです。昔の思い出は楽しいです。I made good memories. いい思い出ができました。いい思い出ができました。He talks about his childhood memories. 彼は子供の頃の思い出を語る。彼は子供の頃の思い出を語る。The most common synonyms of the omoide are 記憶 and 思い出す。Kyoku refers to the concept of memory as a mental process, while omoidasu means to recall or remember something. Although they are related, kyoku emphasizes the mental aspect, whereas omoidasu focuses more on the action of remembering. The most common antonyms of the omoide are boukyaku and mukanshin. Boukyaku means forgetting, the opposite of holding on to a memory. Mukanshin conveys a lack of interest or emotional connection, contrasting with the warm feelings often associated with omoide.